Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back to a new year.
Hey, I'm sorry, I still losing my shit about Mo as well. Whoa.
So we're in Reese's Evo, which you guys heard start up, and it's running on corn juice, so I think we're picking up some of that on the way, are we? Potentially?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we're running low on corn. And we're picking up the engine crane because today we are going to start pulling the motor out, or we're not starting, we're going to, positive thinking, out of Sean's Corolla.
Yes, we are.
And he's pulling out the motor, dropping it off for a rebuild, and then we're gonna drop it back in after it's done. How come we're not rebuilding it ourselves, Sean?
Because I am far too basic to do that.
Yeah, it's a
I don't
great
have to
angle
do
with you.
Oh, that's great. That should be the thumbnail.
It looks like a thumb. I'm gonna insert that photo here if you as a thumb.
To be honest, we're ripping it a bit.
Yeah,
I'm just giving the block to the dude.
yeah, because they're just honing the block.
Yeah, I'm just saying springs and pistons, and then I'm giving him all that. I just don't have the balls to do it myself, and for us to put it all back together, and it'd be wrong.
Yeah,
I don't have the tools for clearances. So,
yeah.
yeah.
We'll go into details about what you're putting in later.
Yes.
It's probably a bit noisy in the car.
It is.
So, right, let's go get the thing. This is the engine crane that probably won't fit in the Evo.
That's too big.
That's the 500 kilo one.
It's fucking huge. Why is it that big?
Yeah, good.
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Pick it up.
Oh, we're here to pick up an engine hoist.
Yep.
So,
We should legitimately just get one.
A porta potty?
Porta potty.
Let's rent a porta potty.
no, not rent one.
Buy one.
Yeah, let's get one.
Buy it. How much for a used porta potty? I don't know the crap.
On the trailer.
I don't know the shit out of a used porta potty.
You need the one on the trailer.
Just bring it to T-Way, mates.
Oh.
That'd be so feral. So the engine crane's not going to fit at all in the car. So we're going to pay for a delivery fee and just drive back and start pulling the car apart. And then it'll come in about an hour. So that's what we'll have to do. And then we'll figure out how we get it back later. That was well organised,
Wasn't it?
Sean?
Well, it's not, half of it wasn't my fault.
Well, mostly.
Well, by the way, the picture of the thing was very small. It was a blue one as well.
Was it a small picture or is it just...
It was small. Well, it wasn't very small. It was like the legs weren't
Yeah.
fucking enormous.
Yeah. Alright, well let's go.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. Come on, Dart King.
Alright, so we just got back. Wasted a lot of time. Achieving nothing. That's okay. And now we're going to move the Corolla into the garage and get started.
How funny would it be if I turn it on and then shoot the roll?
That would be hilarious.
Would it?
I'm going to film it just in case.
It starts excellent, mate.
Wow, how exciting.
You'd never know.
No. Does it blow smoke?
Probably not until it's explosively.
Yeah, it smells like oil. Mate, I have exciting news.
What?
One of your taillights is out.
Yeah, as well. There's worse things to happen. Happy birthday, Big B.
Alright, so the bonnet's off, we can get started. What's first? Here. Got it.
Didn't need that, apparently. Hub nut.
Crack the hub nut so we can get the drive shafts off later. Reese, what are you doing? Taking apart zip ties?
Suspension tank off, which is taken in. Trying to, but that was a weary.
Yep.
And you can even leave that cable tie there for later.
I don't think it's doing anything.
Are we going to disconnect the wiring first? Is that the plan?
I think the plan will be we should probably crack those nuts first,
Yep.
and then we can get it in the air, and then I can start draining everything out, all the oil,
Yep.
Fluid.
and then
Drive shaft.
it's already cracked, so it should be easier to get off. Yes, it's finished.
Oh.
Cool.
But I'm gonna have to messy.
You pull drive shafts out?
Battery running over. Battery could come out.
Yep.
You can take this off if you'd like.
I'll disconnect the battery and take it out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. That's one wire we can unplug. That's VVT. Throttle position. This obviously when you unplug this, you can rip that out. I can probably do that now. And you can just lift that off.
Yep.
Unplug injectors.
Yep.
You probably have to undo them
Yep.
because that will be part of one part of the loom, which then comes out and around.
Yep.
But as you unplug something, right on the masking tape, VVT plug, and just put it around there.
Yep.
That's obviously injectors anyway.
Yep.
Throttle position, wrap a tape around it. Then there's this plug, which is map sensor, also part of it. Just slowly go off. That's another sensor that will be part of this loom. Eventually, the whole loom will end up around over here.
Yep. So you just start at the beginning and work your way back.
Yeah. And then, but yeah, battery I suppose. And then once we get in the air, then we can drain the fluids.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Alright, too easy. I'll do that while you guys
Battery
are...
life.
We have to take the wheels off because this one has spaces. You can see here it doesn't have enough space for the get on there and take off the nut. So we've got to take the wheels off, take the spacer off, put the wheel back on, and it'll actually rest against the caliper, which is why there are spaces. But then we can actually take the hub nut off so that we can take the drive shafts out. How good's this angle? I'm gonna shoot this like this. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff off the car already. We've got the trumpets off. We got a whole bunch of the loom off already, spark plugs, all that sort of stuff. At the moment, the guys are working on the radiator. Let me try and get this back into focus now.
What's wrong? Probably does. It sucks.
So the guys are working on the radiator at the moment, getting that out. We've discovered that pretty much everything in this engine bay is cable tied on, and the radiator fan is included.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
The radiator fan's bolted in.
on the top.
No, yeah, and I already took one of the Bolton bolts out. That's why I was on the hose too.
Oh, okay.
Whatever fell in my eye, it was like fucking huge.
Twist both ways.
It's coming, I'm gonna pop it.
Probably move it.
That's a big cup.
It's a girl.
Hold on, it's gonna get worse.
Why's it pink? How do you take the lid off? Yeah, well.
It's a good sound, eh?
Another big splurge. Why is you calling it the same colour as rusty water, mate?
Because it's dirty, gross water. I'm going to change engine trash. And the I know the coolant passengers. I'll get there. Passages. Great.
Moswell.
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 They're about to be excellent.
Dude, that is disgusting coolant.
Yeah.
No, it was pink to begin with. I think.
It's pink. This has gotten worse.
I feel like that happens sometimes. You know, you put it in pink, and then sometimes after you're done, it's brown. And now that I've taken the trumpets off, I can get the rest of the loom out under here and move that away. So that'll be done, and then just start disconnecting hoses and bits and pieces off the motor. And the earths off the motor and the gearbox too. Okay, so all the hosing, or hoses and electrics are off. Just fuel left.
Just fuel lines. Yeah.
So how are we going to do the fuel?
So the fuel, it's going to come out a bit in the lines, whatever's left. Technically, we should didn't think of this. Some people actually unbolt the fuel lines and then crank it over. Well, they crank it over with the fuel pump relay out, so it uses everything in the line.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter. Not heaps will come out. We'll take this engine hook off just to get out of the way, and then there's a banjo you can actually see right there. Just a big 16 or 17. Undo that. That's one line. Copper washers, and there's another one here. So fuel in and fuel back.
Yep.
And then
we just take off the throttle cable.
throttle cable, and it's actually then that's it.
And then it's just the engine and gearbox mounts. So we've got one here,
there, one there,
on the other side.
one just down there, which is obvious.
Yep.
And then one underneath, which you just get under the car, and there's 2 bolts.
So it's just four mounts.
And then we'll put this back on, and then we'll lift it with the engine lift hook.
Excellent. Yeah. While these guys are stuffing around with that, maybe we should start assembling the engine crane. Mr. Webb just got here. No one's seen your new car on video yet. Can't put it in. Woo! So nice. This 5-cylinder in this sounds really, really good. I should do a video on this car one day. Let me know if you guys want it. It's already put HRE wheels on it. They look really good. Really nice car, the RS3. Alright, so we've got one of the drive shafts out, which we can see here. And Jack and Sean are working on the other drive shafts at the moment. Once those are out, then the engine and gearbox mounts come out. So you just unbolt there. Oops, into focus. Unbolt that. Sorry. Oops, sorry. Unbolt that one. Unbolt that one. And unbolt that. And then the motor's coming out. We're good to go.